Hello everyone, this is Pavan here. Today we are going to discuss about design thinking, a part of Entrepreneurship Program series. So, what is design thinking? It is a continuous process through which we seek to understand the user, assume challenges, redefine the problem, and build solutions or strategies to address it. Let's go step by step in the process to understand it even further. First step in this human-centric approach is empathize, where we understand more about the area of concern through observing, engaging, and empathizing with people to understand their experiences and motivations. This stage helps us to build user persona, which further helps in building more befitting solutions. Once empathized, the problem has to be well defined. We achieve this by analyzing the data we obtain from first phase. We set a clear problem which needs a solution. This helps us not to deviate in the process. If we take an example in education arena, we can define our problem as making students to show interest on studies. Once we define the problem, we start figuring out the solutions, which brings us to Ideate Phase. Here we raise questions like how can we help students to raise interest in studies, and apply different techniques like brainstorming, storyboarding, mind mapping, word banking, forced connections, brain writing, and many more. Once we figure out various solutions, and pick the best feasible ones, we jump into prototype stage, where we build various versions of feasible solutions. Every solution will be compared with user persona and defined problem to calculate its effectiveness. Thus produced prototypes will go through rigorous testing in a pilot environment. This helps us to understand its efficiency, constraints, and scalability in real time. Past this stage, we will go to step 1 and repeat the process until we get the desired outcome. Design thinking is non-linear. We can get back to any step from any step to redefine the problem, or generate new ideas, or build better prototypes, or empathize the arena again. Check this image for a while, pause the video if you want. Analyze the situation. A truck got stuck under the bridge, moving it forward or back may damage it further. Now, the problem is can we move the truck without damaging it? Which gets us to how to move it without damaging it. Considerable solutions could be lift the bridge, which is not possible. Remove the tires, which is possible, but we should lift the truck in order to remove tires. Break the bottom of bridge enough to make the truck move, possible, but not feasible. Remove the air in the tires of the truck, possible, and feasible. So, the most feasible solution could be removing air in the tires. Agreed? If you have any solutions, comment down below. Now, here's the problem for you to work on. There is a college in the outskirts of the city. They are conducting an event, and expecting 10,000 footfall. In that 20% could come in cars, 40% in bikes, and 40% in public transport. They just have ground enough to park 50 cars, and 100 bikes. Now figure out the strategies to increase the parking count. And once you figure out, comment down below. We are listening. Design thinking helps you to think out of the box and solve the problems in much better way. Thank you.